Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience using this platform. Wealthify is a digital investment service that aims to simplify investing for everyone. Rather than requiring users to pick and choose individual stocks or bonds, Wealthify handles the entire investment process. You simply choose an investment style based on your risk tolerance, from cautious to adventurous, and deposit your funds. Wealthify then creates a diversified portfolio tailored to your chosen risk level, spreading your investment across a range of assets like shares, bonds, property, and commodities. They regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain the desired risk level and ensure it stays aligned with market conditions. One of Wealthify's key selling points is its accessibility. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for complete beginners. The sign-up process is straightforward, and the interface is clear and intuitive. Wealthify also offers a range of investment options, including ISAs, general investment accounts, and ethical investment portfolios. This flexibility allows users to choose an investment strategy that aligns with their personal financial goals and values. Fees are another important consideration when choosing an investment platform. Wealthify charges an annual management fee of 0.6% on the first £250,000 invested. While not the cheapest option on the market, it's competitive for the level of service and managed portfolio approach provided. The fee covers all aspects of portfolio management, including rebalancing, transaction costs, and fund charges. Transparency is a priority for Wealthify, and they clearly outline all fees and charges on their website. While Wealthify offers a convenient and user-friendly investment experience, it's important to consider the potential downsides. As with any investment, there's always the risk of losing money. While Wealthify diversifies portfolios to mitigate risk, market fluctuations can still impact returns. Also, the hands-off nature of the platform might not appeal to investors who prefer to have more control over their investment choices. If you prefer a more active role in managing your investments, Wealthify may not be the best fit. However, for those seeking a simple, hassle-free way to invest their money, Wealthify is definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out their website, linked below, for more details.